Undercover better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves, that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. Undercover better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, undercover better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 Good morning, Otter gang. What is going on, everybody? Good morning. Happy Monday with the morning wood. Holy, what are we doing here? We're going up. 70 people ready and waiting to crush this thing. Let's see what's going on. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. What's going on, gang? Let's jump into the charts. This is wild, man. What is going on? Does anybody have the news? It's called Urco. No one calls it Erskineville. Urco, mate. It's called Urco. Yeah, okay. I lived there for a year. Good morning, man. Good to see you guys. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Bitcoin ripping this morning. Off the lows, up 1%. Let's go, baby. Let's go. People giving me smack already. Victor, man, I thought we were friends, bro. You're giving me already. Good morning, Mondays. You know, Jesse Haluk. Good morning, bro. Trade Intuition. My man, how's it going, bro? How you doing? Hopefully all is well in the Trade Intuition world, man. God bless. Thank you for rating in. Good morning. What's going on, Curtis Hill? Good to see you. F-Bomb. Ghost of Odyssey. My man. How you doing, bro? Good to see you. Bear Divs here. Yeah. I don't know. Not taking the liquidity out of this high right here, but we'll see. Pretty sporadic. NASDAQ. ES is pump and dumped. NASDAQ pump and dump. Bitcoin pump. Maybe dump? Jeez. Put a 1 in the chat if you long this thing. What's going on, F-Bomb? Good to see you, bro. Ghost of Odyssey. Curtis Hill. Crypto Jim, man. What's going on, man? Good to see you. Mazix 2000. What's going on, man? How was your weekend, everybody? Hopefully you've all had a beautiful weekend. I managed to get a couple of good trades, and I shorted somewhere in here. I took a long scalp a couple times. Took a Solana long last night. Bounced, and then got stopped out in profits. Little base hits here and there, but nothing too spectacular. It was pretty busy. My mom's was visiting from Toronto. She was visiting from Toronto. Toronto. You know they're not from Toronto when they say Toronto, just like Urco and Erskineville. Same deal, I guess. But yeah, it was nice spending some time. Had grandma over. She gets to spend time with the little guy, which is very important. So that was really nice. Drove her home, cried like a little baby yesterday. I'm kidding. But yeah, it was good. Marius, how's it going? Crypto Rob, how's it going? Great start to the week. Yeah, I guess so. I mean, big old morning wood up. Bitcoin pushing here. NASDAQ pushing. SPY, we'll see how she opens up. I would expect down. We got lots of gaps to fill here. So it's going to be it's always an interesting week, guys. I mean, it's always an opportunity to try and make some money, take advantage of this price action. Currently, happy days. We've been compounding the account over the weekend, made about $1,800. Account's at 37,762. Okay, slow and steady, baby. Taking the trades, showing the trades. Started this at 25,000, so we're up about 12 and change. So we'll continue as we always do. We'll see if we can. I'd like to compound this one to 50, but we'll see. We'll see if we can get it to 50 or not. That is the question. What do you guys think? What should we compound it to? Let me know in the chat. MRPRG, Keen Bean, Shunts. Good morning, Triple. Good morning, guys. Good to see you. Thank you for being here. Andre, good morning. Good morning, Mind Mates. Mob the Great. How you guys doing? God bless you guys. There we go. Let's go, TI. How's your channel doing? I'm always busy, so. Oh, we're almost at 3,000. Let's go, bro. Guys, go subscribe to Trade Intuition. 2,700. We're almost at 3K here. GG's, bro. GG's, man. Keep it up. Go and help out fellow traders, people who are showing up, taking trades, showing trades, trying to make crypto honest again. This thing's going up, isn't it? I ain't about phone. I am a disciplined trader, especially on a Monday. But I do want to click the button, guys. Let's be real. But you guys are all clicking buttons. Put in 1 in the chat if you're clicking the 1. If you're clicking the long button. Foreskin is my name. Oh, I read that wrong. Sorry, Erskine. Sorry. I'm kidding, man. I'm kidding. I couldn't resist. I couldn't resist, man. Morning from Landon. It's Landon. It's Landon. I thought you were saying like London, England, okay? F-bomb, what's going on? Good to see you, Mind Mates. Proof of work, Victor. Good morning, man. Good morning. Curtis Hill. All I can say is join the Discord. I agree. I mean, all the information is there. I think we give so much information in that Discord that it's like you just stay because you enjoy making money with the gang, you know? That's it. I think we need to do a Discord sale. What do you guys think? We could do a Discord sale like first month. I'll give you $20 off or something like that. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should we do a Discord sale for like a first month? Maybe like a summer vacation Discord sale. First month off. You get $20 off or something for your first month or something. I don't know. Guys, I'm not a salesman. I just come here and click buttons with you guys. That's the key. That's the key here. This looks exhausted. It needs to take this line right here. I want to see it take the line and die. I broke my Otter Gang mug, guys. It's over. The Otter Gang mug is in the bin. I broke it. I got my my backup here. All right. We got kindness. Be kind and don't be a douchebag. Remember the slogans here? Kindness, culture, baby. Okay. Kindness, culture. I'm growing. If you guys haven't realized, I am growing the hair out, man. I'm trying to grow it out like the man bun. Like you guys have inspired me. You guys have given me the hope and dreams of once becoming a profitable trader. All right, you guys. I think we'll go Chinaman. Like, this guy's got a way better hairline than me, but we'll do it. What do you guys think? We're well on our way, man. My wife is like, "What are you doing?" I'm like, "Don't worry about it. It's fine. It's gonna be sexy. It's gonna be fine. It's something to hold on to." I keep telling her, something to hold. Oh, it's Monday, baby. Why are we pumping so hard on a Monday, man? Monday morning. Brave Dave, what's going on? Nero. Oh, man. Oh, too good, man. Too good. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. Victor, Brave Dave, Nero, Shrian, Pandy, Cedric, gang. Let's go, baby, from Belgium. Hand over those chocolates, mofo. My wife loves chocolate. Trade Intuition, Isaac. What's going on, guys? Andrew, Cameron, Milan, Ezra. Good morning. Good to see you guys. Thank you for being here, Mr. Mike. Wild morning, my last name. Let's go, baby. Andre, retest previous lows. No news. 12-hour bear divs called it. Okay, good job, guys. Good job. Sounds like you guys are on top of things. Jake Dorton, Mazix, good morning. I went long on Sol at 84.37. Oh, you are ninja. You are ninja. Great trade, bro. Great trade, man. That's sexy. You can brag about that. Aaron, what's going on, VW? Marine Mike, Philly Skills. Hey, Wagwan. Scene, bro. Let's go. We pumping. I think they're just trapping people right now. No trade for me right now. I want to press long, which means don't press long, okay? Which means don't press long. Mr. Jinx, John, what's going on? Otka. How you doing, man? Danny, Victor. Good morning, guys. Terry. I want to click the button. I should short right now. This would be the trade setup. Well, I'd be looking here into VWAP. That's what I would be looking for. I look for a little sweep of this high here. All right, that's what I would look for. You guys all want a long. I can see it. You guys all got that green button. You got green button syndrome, man. The trend is down right now, guys. 3 drives, apple pie, right? Don't be a Hulk. You can be the Red Hulk sometimes. You guys should like shorting. You get paid faster shorting, just so you know, as long as you have good TPs. The problem with shorting, right? So you take the stairs up and elevator down. The problem with shorting is that you must understand where liquidity resides in order to set your take profits so that you get filled. Okay. You guys see me made $900 last week on a short on Solana. Why did I make the 900? Because I had an exit at a liquidity zone, right? Otherwise, it comes down and then it typically bounces up and then it does whatever the hell it wants, right? So if you don't have the take profits set, so if you don't know where to set your take profits for this thing to come in and bounce from, right, you're going to miss out on that cha-ching, okay? So that's very important to understand with shorts. Shorts are aggressive, right? As we can see last night, look at this. I mean, if you didn't take profits on this thing, you got to wait all the way. This is what? This is 7. This is 9:30, whatever, right? So you're waiting for that take profit again, right? You just want to get the money and run with shorts. So we'll do some top-down analysis. I just want to say good morning to you guys. Melissa, what's going on? Subscriber number 9. We're going to go subscriber number 9. Josh, Parr, Steve, Hickey, Terry. Good morning, guys. Cedric, good morning. Dusty, BTC Harpist, Decent Crypto. Good morning. Marine Mike, 50K. Christian Rogers, Mr. Jinx. Let's go. GG's, everybody. Thank you for being here. JR. Your name's JR Prince now? Are you serious? You changed your name to JR. JR Prince. That's like adding little. You know, I should be Lil AlexOCrypto. Lil AlexOCrypto. Like Little Wayne or something, you know? Good morning, handsome man. That is my son. Marine Mike, my man Andrew Cameron. JR Prince, man. I'll shut up. It's got a ring to it, JR Prince. Are you printing, JR? Alex is going diving? Yeah, always. Always diving. I think you're being rude, but if you grow a man butt, I'm done with you forever. I agree. Freebie for 1 month? Not really. I do triple profits a month and started with $20. Thanks. That's good, dependable. That's good, man. I'm happy for you, bro. Okay, I guess we're not going man bun. We'll go mullet. Last pump at Bitcoin 1 hour ago. Otherwise, coins like ESOL, AVAX also pumped at the same time. I don't understand how they organize it at the same time. It's just market makers, man. Market makers, liquidity. I mean, it all runs on the same algorithms. So, I mean, it's trading bots, algorithms. We're fighting against, big AI algorithmic bots, okay? There's no hiding against these guys. These guys don't care. They will take your money. They will take your grandma's money. They will liquidate you. They will consistently stop you out because they make money off of you. You are their exit strategy. We must always remember that. We must always remember that we are a little minnow in an ocean of big ass sharks. So our job is to get our money and get out. Participate safely. Look for when they take liquidity and execute with high probability setups with good risk management over and over again. That's our job here. And if you don't like the job, you shouldn't be doing this because it's hard. It's a really hard job. However, we seem to have been doing it pretty successfully over the past, 3.5 years now. So I try to share everything I can with you guys. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 270 people here on the live stream. God bless you guys. Thank you for supporting the channel, smashing that like button, and subscribing if you're new. We're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10:15, taking the trades, showing the trades, trying to make crypto honest again. It's the hardest job ever. That's why we show up every single day. So thank you, everybody, for being here. We'll do some top-down analysis today. Bitcoin's ripping right now. Everybody's getting the FOMO. I got an itchy trigger finger, and I know that when I feel like this, I need to stay away from the mouse, right? Stay away from the mouse. What's going on, Wayne? How you doing, man? Good to see you. How was the sandwiches this weekend? Did the wife treat you well? I hope so. Jay Valek, good to see you. Phil, and the only requirement here is a good morning. I just expect good mornings, guys. Don't be weird. Don't be one of those guys just sitting on your wanking chariot there with your box of Kleenex and your long and short button and not say good morning. At least say good morning. Don't be like Army Piper who comes in here and just I'm kidding, man. What's going on, bro? I'm seeing something very bad on the charts. Bottom may not be in, but anyway, yeah. Pi Bear's back, guys. As soon as we break structure on a high time frame, Pi Bear is just back. He's back in black. Like 40 was Jay Violets. Thank you for being here. Send it to 0, Piper. Let's go. Okay. JR always prints. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Depending on how much liquid I had at night, I have PPI and maybe PP2. All right. Good arrow signal on Discord as well, Alex. You're welcome, man. I mean, the Discord. I mean, yeah, it's starting. I mean, I don't want to give it away just yet. We'll give it away tomorrow when it's at fucking $2. I'm kidding, everybody, but I just want everybody to be printiful. Isn't that Printiful? That's where I do the merch on. Yeah. All right, so Bitcoin. Breaking out of the Discovery Channel. Where are we at? What are we looking for? How are we looking to get there? 280 people here. 61 likes. We're not ready to do top-down analysis. Not enough likes. Let's get that to 100, please. At least 100, man. At least 100. We're going to do We'll do a Discord first month sale. Maybe tomorrow we'll start it. And we'll continue to do the $7,000 worth of giveaways as well every single week here, which is pretty sweet. Giving everybody a plethora of money. I don't know where they get this money from. They get it from you guys. I'm kidding. I know where they get it from. They get it from you guys losing money. That's why you join the gang and you stop losing money, or at least you learn how to manage your money a little bit better. You sign up with the Bitunix link down below. You get VIP 3 for 6 months. You get to enter into the raffle on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We give away $5,000 to you guys every single week at the end of the stream. So you just sign up and deposit. Do that now, and you'll be good to go for the giveaways. There's that. Okay. Yeah, they didn't like what happened in China. That's what I've convinced on. ES is pushing back right now. Thank you guys for getting those likes up. ES coming back down, still holding the range right now. NASDAQ, same deal. Okay, still holding the range right now. Oh, we did this. I got to do the money. We did the swear jar giveaway on the weekend for the gang members. That was good. I can swear again. Making crypto swearing again. I'll have to send them their cashola today. SPY, ES. Yeah, okay, so Bitcoin ripping to the upside here on no news. Nobody has told me there's any news right now. They just said we're going up. I haven't seen any news. You guys tell me. You guys tell me. I haven't seen any news. Is there any news? You guys know better than I do. I'm not the news watcher. Economic calendar coming in hot and ready this week. Not a heck of a lot, man. Not a heck of a lot. FOMC minutes, and then building permits and housing starts, okay? Army Piper has a slow week this week. He's going to relax, take it easy, Not a heck of a lot of news coming out this beautiful, beautiful week, which is great for traders. I mean, we can always count on Donald for some manipulation, but besides that, I mean, that's a pretty good look at the news data coming out this beautiful week. So looking at Bitcoin market Cipher top down analysis, where we're at, what we're looking for, how we're looking to get there on a daily basis. So what can we see? Well, it's pretty obvious, Captain Obvious. It is it's clear, right? So we got our parallel channel. We broke down and we retested that parallel channel. All right. You and me, baby, ain't nothing but mammals, so let's do it like they do on the Discovery Channel. All right. Down until proven guilty kind of deal, right? So we have downtrending momentum. As we can see, we're looking to get above that and reclaim the channel. Okay, reclaim. Can we reclaim? We're holding key support right now. We're in a golden pocket, 786, mostly 786. Swing low to swing high area here. You can see our beautiful golden pocket, 786. We have hit that 786 perfectly. And that level was given in advance in the Discord, just so you know. So we are always prepared traders and profitable traders. So looking for those levels. Trying to reclaim this volume range here. You can see that we're coming into massive volume resistance, everybody. So this is not where you press buy, in my opinion. You do you. Okay, you do you. But you are looking to come into massive volume resistance. So right now, can you reclaim this volume resistance up in here? And can you hold to push it higher? That's a great question. I would say probably not on your first try, but we do have a very aggressive push up here coming through. Okay, so can we get above? That is always the question. Can we get above and hold? We have broken down. We have mitigated structure on a higher term time frames. If we're looking at anything like a 12-hour, we have broken here. We have broken here. This suggests expectational order flow as pullbacks are for selling. Oh, sorry to say, but that is the facts. Okay. The daily here, pushing back. Horrible weekly candle close, okay? Horrible. bearish engulfing weekly candle close, absolutely pie bearing us. Okay, look at that. Oof, nasty. It's nasty. So for me, understanding that, hey man, we've been going up. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say 6 weeks, right? Pretty much straight 7 in total. Pullbacks are for buying. However, we knew we were coming into major retest resistance, okay, when we're looking at this thing. Major neckline, right? Major neckline, swing high to swing low. Front running that golden pocket as usual, right? As usual. So, are we out of the woods? Are we going to get out of here? We'll see, right? If this, then that. Always prepared, right? Always prepared that way. Right now, this is a nice retest to previous highs, in my opinion, right? And looking for follow through. If we get some sort of breakdown in here, then you know what's on the table, guys. You don't have to be a rocket scientist to understand where we're going. Liquidity, swing low to swing high. We will look at this thing objectively, but even if we came down to our macro golden pocket 68,000 or impulse golden pocket 72,000, it looks like it goes down. Okay, so for now, we hope that this holds, and we hope that this is a pullback, but we can't trade based off of hope. Okay, so if this, then that, right? If it does this, we short, right? If it does this, we long. Okay, doesn't matter. As a scalper, as an intraday trader, it's important to be aware of these things, but you must identify a trend. There it is. Tell me it's going to work. I didn't take it because I'm a chicken shit this morning and it's Monday. Okay. Put a 2 in the chat if you took this short. I'm being patient here, guys. I'm being patient here. This is hard for me to do. On Mondays, I'm pretty good, man. I'm pretty patient. Okay, I'm doing top down. See, I'm doing mindset stuff for you guys because I know all of you guys just like clicking buttons, and I agree. I love clicking buttons too, guys. But I am starting to do a mindset playlist because it's not giving away all the strategies that we teach here. Okay, but I am doing mindset playlists so you guys can be patient enough to wait for the trades, right? Right? Wait for the trades. I do have one coming out tomorrow. And hopefully it helps you guys, just implement. They're not like, oh my God, you need to be zen and you need to think about. No, it's like, do this. Try it. Action. Right? Action. Plan your trades. So a lot of my patience comes from getting into top-down analysis and being able to. Does everybody put a 1 in the chat if you have a playbook? If you understand, like, have you looked at your setups and actually made like a playbook, a general playbook of like what you look for in a trade setup? Have you screenshotted it and put a 1 in? Have you screenshotted it, wrote it out? Do you have a playbook? I want to know. Because, like, if you... here's a job for you to do. Go fucking do it. Oh, there's the swear of the morning. That's just me wanting you guys to succeed. Fuckity, fuckity. There we go. Let's ramp it up a little bit there. All right? Let's ramp it up just a bit. All right? Right? A lot of people don't even know what they're looking for a trade setup, let alone whatever. They're just here clicking buttons. It looks kind of like that. It looks kind of like that. Kind of doesn't make you money, man. Not when you... What did we talk about this morning? We talked about algorithms whooping our ass, right? Pumps, dumps, right? The 4, the 3, the 2, and the 1. The 4 is trying to push back here, guys. It's exhausted, right? You can see exhaustion just in the way that, you're oversold here. Bull divs throughout, trying to push back, Pullbacks are for shorting though. So patience in here. The market is clearly being manipulated this morning, clear as day. Okay. And we need to remain objective and patient. Right now it's we got a random ass pump this morning, and for me, when I see price action do this, it's just like, don't trade, right? That's all it is. It's like, okay, so what? You saw this giga pump. You had like a little pullback here, so maybe you got long somewhere in here, and then you made a little bit of juice up here, right? And now you're getting rugged. Now you're break even, right? So typically, when it does this, you're looking for the opposite. Okay, look, when you get a pump up like this, look how aggressive that is. Look, you get bear divs, you short it. Comes for that liquidity, right? Bear divs, you short it. Comes for that liquidity. Everybody pressing buy in here, right? And if they didn't pay themselves, guess what? Market maker, cha-ching, right? So if this and that, right? If this and that. This was to view up, by the way. Halfway down the candle, you could front run it here. Anyways. And that's the key about knowing where the liquidity resides, right? Knowing where it resides. So the 4, the 3, the 2, and the 1. The 4 is trying to push back here. The 3 is as well, but they're all like in anchor mode, right? So wanker mode. Market Cipher, okay, you have Market Cipher. Here's your midline. Market Cipher will trend. Okay, so if you understand, this is a trend. This is down. This is the top. This is coming down. You got to learn how to read this if you want to use it, right? Okay. Why is this the top? Why is it trending down? Well, money flow. Money flow is king, right? Money is red. But money flow is trending down. Money flow is trending up. Okay. But you can see when you get when you see that money flow has made a lower high, this is your warning sign that this could dump. Okay, and then you look for basic market cipher systems, right? So anchor trigger wave, hidden anchor trigger wave. This is your short, or this is your short. If you had shorted this, you made lots of money. Okay, pretty obvious. Okay, it's always obvious in hindsight, so that's why you have to learn how to like forecast and front run. And I'll teach you guys that throughout the day as we proceed to give you what you need. And for all the Discord members, there's a Market Cipher Masterclass in its own little section. Out of all the 150 videos in all of our beautiful channel here, and everybody just printing money. And you go over here, you go to Family Lessons, you go to Market Cipher, you got Intraday Market Cipher Trigger Waves, you got Market Cipher Bias and Timeframes to front run, Money Flow Reading, and in Market Structure, you get Market Cipher Cheat Sheet. Ooh, that one's really good. I know that one's good. Stochastics and the rundown. Okay, I mean, if you need to learn, there it is. I even have some free ones on my channel, so you can watch those as well. They're useful. Educate yourself. Learn how to use your tools. Okay, it's like a carpenter not using a wrench to screw in a light bulb. I don't know. It's you got to know how to use your tools, guys. Double bottom, trying to push back here on the 2 hour. Money is still red. Money is creeping up on the 1 hour. So suggestion for retracement, right? This is suggestion for retracement, bottoming out, looking for the lower high, trying to push back into it. So we can see that we are pushing back into it. Downtrending momentum, lower high. So we are bottoming, 786 bounce level, pushing back into it. Do we get topping structure? And we look for shorts, potentially. Okay. Oh, we're right back to where we started. All right. This market's crazy. So thank you, everybody, for being here and supporting the channel and subscribing if you're new. 370 people here this morning. God bless you guys. Thank you for being here and hanging out with me and putting up with me. I do appreciate your support. We'll see where we get to today, everybody. Thank you. Coming back for late shorts. NASDAQ don't care, breaking out. Little balloon donkey in here. Damn, Daniel. Damn, Daniel. Pushing. Okay. Soy boy Lana. Oof. Guys, Solana, you see this trend line on Solana? This is a gangster trend line. Okay, I don't normally say things are gangster because it's kind of gay, but this is pretty cool. Boom, boom, boom. I would say this is pretty cool. This is a breakout. This is a breakout retest, isn't it? That's macro, baby. That is a very good trend line. Look at that. Look at that. I would say that's a pretty good trend line. That's like a Gareth Soloway trend line. No? Look at this thing, man. Can I get a GG's in the chat for that trend line? Sometimes, sometimes I surprise myself. At the end of the day, nothing beats a good trend line. If you know how to draw them and you know how to use them. See, the thing is with trend lines is it's your interpretation of price action around trend lines, okay? If you can have a line going anywhere, but if you don't know how to read breakout retest, because if you don't know how to read it or use it, you lose it, okay? It's very dependent on how price behaves around that area. Just like anything on your charts, a VWAP, an orb, a support and resistance line, doesn't mean jack diddly if you're trying to, right? If you don't know how to read the hieroglyphics, the price action in that area, it's irrelevant. It's just a line on your chart, and you may get lucky sometimes. But over time, if you don't know how to read it, over time you won't be profitable on just using a trend line. I promise you that. Bulls are still in control here, trying to push up. Sweep of the lows. Late shorts coming back for them, trying to push up here, coming into resistance. Golden pocket, order block, retest to previous lows. So, yes, we have swept liquidity out of this high. Now we are looking for the retest of previous lows right now into golden pocket. Okay, so retest of previous lows. Boop, boop, boop. Into golden pocket. Impulse golden pocket. We go from swing high to swing low in here. Golden pocket here. So looking for a potential rejection, downtrending momentum. Multiple confluences in this area. So if we get a good reaction in here, we might look for a short. Right now, this is euphoric is a nice way to put it, right? So if you are shorting this, right, trend has changed, broke here. So we're looking for higher lows continuation. If you're shorting, you're looking for retracements. Trying to push, trying to get above. We'll see if we get there. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live stream today. This is always a fun time, man. Bitcoin's ripping. Everybody's excited. 400 people on the live stream. You guys are crazy, man. God bless you guys. Thank you for being here. We'll see where we get to today. 8:40. Thank you for being here and saying good morning. Come on, effers. Smash the like. Yanambe Pambes. God bless you, Jesse. Thank you for the €6, man. That's like $100 in Canadian, man. God bless you. I mean, the Canadian dollar is going down the toilet. Join the Discord. Get the trades, teaching, and instructions. God bless you, Marine Mike. Thank you for supporting the channel, man. Yes, please show your playbook. Mine changes every other week. Oh, man. Playbooks, everybody. Religiously only since getting into the gang, though. See? You got to know what you're looking for. And then you got to know how to manage your risk and your position sizing around it. I mean, you guys have seen me since February. I mean, it's $10,000 to $15,000 weeks every week. It's been pretty consistent, guys. It's been pretty consistent, right? I was talking to a friend yesterday, and I showed him my P&L. And I sent it to him. He's like, "No, that's incredible, right? That's incredible. Look, this is my P&L card for the last since March 18th, my birthday. Look, that's a deposit into my bank account. Look at the P&L. Deposit into my bank account. Deposit into my bank account. Deposit into my bank account. That's the P&L card, guys. It's very simple, slow and steady. I mean, I could add size, but right now it's not the time to add size. This market is absolutely vicious. It's a look at this morning, guys. All right. And then my friend responded with this. Oh man, that's how we roll, baby. Oh, too good. JR says the U.S. agreed to lift all sanctions on Iranian oil. Insiders report that peace talks are going better than before, and the final peace deal will be signed this week. Okay. See, JR's coming through. I mean, JR Prince. JR Prince coming through. Let's go, JR Prince. Thank you for the news update, bro. God bless you, man. I do prefer VWAP, support and resistance Fibonacci instead of trend lines. That's perfect. That's what I typically use. I'm a Fibs VWAP. Can't wait to hear Montreal get OLE out the house. I hope Buffalo wins tonight, man. It's gonna be a bruiser game, man. Hopefully it's a tight game. I don't want a blowout. I want to see a 4-3 win. That's what I want to see. Right? With like 3 minutes goalie pulled of pure insanity at the end. That's what I want to see. I pray. French Toaster, you can't say anybody. French Toaster, that's 10 seconds for you, bro. We not talking Montreal fans in here, bro. It's not allowed. It's illegal. You say CME gap here or go Habs go or anything about positive about Montreal, you guys can leave. And French Toaster has been here from day one. Okay? Don't think you're special in here. French Toaster's been here from day one. We throw roller skates in the chats for French Toaster. We love French Toaster, but keep the Habs name out of your damn mouth. All right? Oh man, being a Toronto Maple Leafs fan, it's like racism. It's like you can't go and say that word to me, you know. Otherwise, someone gonna find out. It's offensive. Okay, it hurts my feelings. What's going on, Camsto? Good to see you, Froth Dog, my man Dan. Good to see you, JR Prince, CJ. Why random pumps? So supposedly they're dropping all the sanctions on oil. Okay, French Toaster is the man though, and we love him. Okay, you're a naughty toaster. Oh man, that 5-minute JPOW is printing. This one here, sweep of the lows, break of structure, go. Yeah, he's a Bruins fan. Still salty with the first round exit. Yeah, I mean Swayman sucks. He played so well this year too, and you guys still blew it. Looking for a short Habibi? Yeah, right now waiting. And you know, I hate Bruins as almost as much as don't remind me of that game 7 loss when we were up 3-1. Just don't let her remind you is Gavin McKenna is going to be a Toronto Maple Leafs. Just letting you know, guys. Just letting you know. It is rigged. By the way. I'm 16 from Indian. You're from Indian? Nice to meet you, man. I'm from Caucasian. I love your guidance and I'm learning a lot from your side. Bless you and your family and a healthy life. God bless you, man. Thank you for the kind words, man. God bless you, man. Thank you. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel. I do appreciate you. Quick scalp short here. Continuation up. Bullish. Let's see if we continue here. All right. We're not going to talk Mitch Marner either. You guys are really just trying to get me going today. Marner's a Toronto boy, and he left his team holding the bag, man. There's nothing worse. He's a shame on him. Shame on him. That's all I gotta say. If you wanted to leave, cool, man. Don't leave us holding the bag, though. Tell us so we can get something in return for you. Don't get me started. You guys are all just hitting my fucking hockey buttons this morning, guys. Why? Stop. Please. It's not hard. I'm a Leafs fan, okay? We haven't won since 1967. I dyed my hair blue when I was 12 years old, and we lost in Game 7 against Ottawa or something like that, and my hair was blue for 2 weeks after. All right? I've been through the pain. I will put my son through it as well. Did you highlight your hair? Or is that gray? It's gray. It's gray. I'm distinguished. It is gray, baby. Do you like it, Andrea? My wife calls it silver. I think she feels bad for me. Fucking silver. She's taking the piss is what she's doing. She's British, so, I mean, just make the switch to Avalanche, bud. You know what's funny? Keeping it real, is I have an Avalanche jersey from when I was a kid. And I have a picture of me with a Colorado Avalanche shirt on and a Colorado Avalanche hat on as a kid. Because I was a big Avalanche fan growing up, because that era of hockey when I grew up was, I mean, you had Detroit, you had Steve Yzerman and Eric, and I mean, they were incredible. And then you had, I mean, the Avs, man. You had Patrick Waugh, Joe Sakic, Hayduk, Adam Foote. I mean, Forsberg. It was incredible to watch them play, man. I'm live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10:15. Thank you for being here. It was incredible hockey. Doesn't mean I wasn't a Leafs fan. It just means as a kid, it was really cool in the 90s watching them play hockey, man. What a treat. What a team. I can go get I got my kid, like, it doesn't fit me anymore. I actually grew a little bit, but I still have the jersey. Into resistance here, guys. Ray Bork, yeah. The silver hair does nothing but show experience. There we go. I appreciate it. Don't complain about hockey to a Sabres fan. I mean, Leafs have had a nice 9 years in the playoffs, but it's been a choke show. It's been an absolute choke show. You've ran into Tampa Bay and the Panthers every year, man. And rotation down. Continuation up here. NASDAQ pumping. Looking good. Still no trade here. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. Put a 3 in the chat if you're on hands. Still no trade. Taking the trade, showing the trades every single morning, guys. Patience. Don't want to top blast right now. But I know you guys want to top blast. Maybe I should join you. 1, 3, 3, 3. I'm short on oil again. Let's go. Jay Violet. Look at Jay Violet shorting oil down to 0. Let's go, Jay Violet. S&P of the high, rotation down. Yeah, this looks good. Good job, Jay Violet. Jay Violet, GG's. I'll even type it for you, GG's. You've been trading like gold and oil lately, Jay Violet. You're just a commodities queen. 2, 2, 2, 3, 3. 3, 2. I don't like the volume. Gonna wait. We're very overextended here. I have Patrick Waugh's jersey with every player's, but Waugh's. I mean, if you go to a hockey game, I'm sure you could, when whoever hires him as a coach again, I'm sure you could get it. You just got to go early. If you're bringing the jersey, he'll sign it, I'm sure. I have a Patrick Waugh Montreal Canadiens rookie card. It's the only Montreal Canadiens card I'll ever keep in my collection. Patrick was an absolute legend, though, man. Do you ever? There was an interview with Don Cherry and McLean, and Don Cherry is going Patrick Roy, right? And he keeps calling him Patrick Roy, and McLean. He's like, Patrick Roy was playing great. Patrick Roy. And then McLean jumps in and he goes, Don, it's Wah. It's Patrick Wah. And Don Cherry looks over at McLean and he goes, McLean, have you ever heard of Wah Rogers? Fucking Don Cherry, have you ever heard of Wah Rogers? Fucking funny, man. Don Cherry, what an absolute legend, man. God bless him. I miss him. Hockey night in Canada. Have you ever heard of Wah Rogers? What a too good. Are we waiting for short? Yeah, we need structure flip here. Nice tap into our resistance here. Rotation down right now. Nasdaq still ripping, so no reason to fade this move right now. Quite nice, actually. Recovery here. Coming back in. Donald Trump manipulation in the morning. Nothing better on a Monday, right? Trying to reclaim back up into the top end of this range for the ES. So we're expecting a little push up here. Roll over this weekend. Bitcoin continuing to climb, retest their previous highs, continuation up, leaving a little bit of an imbalance down here. We can pull impulse fib, swing low to swing high here, looking for this thing to come up into. Yeah, we could be looking here, but if we come back down. Nice push, though. Still no trade waiting here. Overextended bearish divergence up at the highs here into key level of resistance. High volume area as well. Retest to previous lows. Order block. Multiple confluences here. Still waiting though. I don't want to fade the Nasdaq right now. The Nasdaq is absolutely melting faces on the way up here. So for me, just a little bit of patience coming into market open. It's 8:52. Top blast with coffee. Yeah, we can just. My son just got up too, so I'd like to say good morning to him. I do like getting up and saying good morning to my son. He gets up after I start yelling at the camera, you know. An absolute gem of a child. I'm very, very grateful. You guys gonna top blast? You guys can top blast. I'll be right back, everybody. God bless you guys. Thank you for being here. Smash those like buttons. I'll be back. 440 people here.
And the price moved off me. Saw a big green candle pushing through the VWAP. Aggressive move up, so I didn't want to stop. I felt the FOMO rising, yeah, I felt the itch. Thinking I was pre-rich, about to get rich. I ignored the bearish Steve on the market Cipher B just to degenerate 8, yeah, that was me. I didn't wait for the retest or the golden pocket tap. I just market on it in, walk right into the trap. I'm top blasting, yeah, I'm blasting the top. Enticing buyers in before the big drop. Top blasting, buying high and selling low. Direct by week, put on a gong show. Blasting, I didn't pay myself. Now I'm round tripping trades, bad for my health. I pressed the green button when I should've clicked sell. Top blasting the high straight to trade in hell. Now I'm sitting in my wagon chariot, feeling kinda sick. Got the Hershey squirts, man, the candle was quick. Market makers on my order, that dirty rascal. Hunting my stop loss, now it's a hassle. I used to be a carpenter, dropping spikes all day. Now I'm clicking buttons, throwing gains away. It's absolutely grim, mate. The price action is trash. Sure waiting for the sweep to secure the cash. I got tilted, started spiraling, losing my head. Should've closed the laptop and gone back to bed. Don't be an on the plan, babe. Don't be a douche canoe. You gotta wait for the setup to come to you. Be the turtle, slow and steady, that's the race. Don't let the green candles punch you in the face. I wanted to slap a belly, the big V whap slap. Instead I got chopped up in a bull trap, making crypto honest again. That's the plan, but top blessing trades wasn't part of the brand. Learn from my mistakes, join the Discord fam. Don't buy the top or you'll get in the jam. But let's crypto, true to the digital. All the gang, 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 vibes. Yeah. Better sit low when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Van bass like my wallet. Yo, stay true to the digital. All the gang, 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 let's go. I walked away for a minute just to get a coffee. Came back to the charts and the price moved off me. Saw a big green candle pushing through the VWAP. Aggressive move up, so I didn't wanna stop. I felt the FOMO rising, yeah, I felt the itch. Thinking I was pre-rich, about to get rich. I ignored the bearish Steve on the market Cipher B just to degenerate. Yeah, that was me. I didn't wait for the retest or the golden pocket tap. I just market on it in, walk right into the trap. I'm top blasting, yeah, I'm blasting the top. Enticing buyers in before the big drop. Top blasting, buying high and selling low. Direct by wick, put on a gong show. Top blasting, I didn't pay myself. Now I'm round tripping trades, bad for my health. I pressed the green button when I should've clicked sell. Top blasting the high straight to trading hell. Now I'm sitting in my wanking chair every year, feeling kinda sick. Got the Hershey squirts, man, the candle was quick. Monkey Mingus on my order, that dirty rascal. Under my stop loss, now it's a hassle. I used to be a carpenter, dropping spikes all day. Now I'm clicking buttons, throwing gains away. It's absolutely grim, mate. The price action is trash. Sure waited for the sweep to secure the cash. I got tilted, started spiraling, losing my head. Should've closed the laptop and gone back to bed. Don't be an underpambe, don't be a douche canoe. You gotta wait for the setup to come to you. Be the turtle, slow and steady, that's the race. Don't let the green candles punch you in the face. I wanted to slap a lily, the big V-wap slap. Instead I got chopped up in a bull trap. Making crypto honest again, that's the plan. But top blessing trades wasn't part of the brand. Learn from my mistakes, join the Discord fam. Don't buy the top or you'll get in the jam. AlexOCrypto, talking fat when the chips low. Stay true to the digital. All the gang, 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 vibes. Yeah. Better sit low when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Van bass like my wallet. Yo, stay true to the digital. All the gang, 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 let's go. I walked away for a minute just to get a coffee. Came back to the charts and the price moved off me. Saw a big green candle pushing through the VWAP. Aggressive move up, so I didn't wanna stop. I felt the FOMO rising, yeah, I felt the itch. Thinking I was pre-rich, about to get rich. I ignored the bearish Steve on the market Cipher B just to degenerate. Yeah, that was me. I didn't wait for the retest or the golden tap. I just market on it in, walk right into the trap. I'm top blasting,
wanna
yeah,
say
I'm
good
blasting
morning?
the top. Enticing buyers in before.
Do you want to say good morning? You can say good morning. Say gang, gang, gang. Say good morning. Say it loud. Say gang, gang, gang. Good job. Can you get a hoya? Say gang, gang, gang. Good job, buddy. All right, I gotta go back, okay? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, gang. Good job, buddy. Thank you. Go see Mom. Go get some cheese. Go see Mom. All right. Oh man, you know when you don't want to go back to work because little man's just you get up, he just like cheese. He loves cheese right now. He's like cheese. Oh man, what a what a little legend, man. So grateful. Little man coming through. Cheese? I mean, who doesn't like cheese? Put some cheese in the chat. Is there a way to put... Can we do cheese in the chat? Let me see. Cheese. Yes, there's the cheese emoji. Gotta love that cheese. All right. Coffee loaded, ready to go. Thank you, everybody, for being here. How's everyone doing? All right, coming up to the highs here, into our major resistance level here. We'll see if we do hold. However, it looks like rotation down right now. NASDAQ continuing to melt faces. ES. Yeah, looks good. Looks good, man. Looks good. Do we get crypto following suit? Breakout, retest, continuation trade. Can we get going? Can we flip this area here to support is really key, in my opinion. We'll see. Coming into market open, 901. No data coming out, but we did have Trump announce some sort of peace thing. Iran, sanction, oil, whatever. It's happening. It's happening. So thank you guys for being here. I don't know what his intentions are, but who cares? Markets are pumping because of it. Is it a fake rally? Oh, well, it's clearly Trump manufactured. All right. So we need to be cautious here. It doesn't mean, we're out of the woods just yet. It just means that with this right now, we could be looking for some continuation up here. However, bearish divergence overextended up at the highs coming into major resistance. I know a lot of you guys are short right now. Thank you for being here and supporting the I actually don't like cheese. Yarbook. That's you're in the very, very small percentage of people who don't like cheese. Wait till you have a little girl, buddy. I mean, God gave me a son first because he knew someone looked at my little daughter the wrong way, I'd probably go to jail. He'd be like, where's AlexOCrypto? He hasn't showed up in like a month. Oh, but yeah. No, I hope to have a daughter. Daughters take care of their fathers, right? I'm very blessed to have a son. Healthy, happy family. Thank you guys for being here and helping support that family and hanging out here as well. That's cool, man. Hershey squirts. Yeah, down we come. Here we go. Oh, man. We'll see if we roll over here. Douche, canoe, top blast, coffee, song. Relevant lines are all horizontal. Yeah. Coffee long is training for discipline. It is. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Boss came to check on you. Yeah, he is the boss, man. He already knows how to. There's a cheese for every taste. See, Andre knows. Why are the likes so low? I don't know, man. I got 415 people here and only 164 likes. I just asked for 200. I think that's like reasonable. Am I monetized on YouTube? Yeah, but I don't turn on ads because you don't make any money off of it. And Google takes all of it, right? If you want to support the channel, you can use the Bitunix link for the giveaways, and you can join the Discord. My daughter is awesome. Love having one of each. Yeah, I really do. I would love a daughter, but I mean, I'm very grateful I have a son as well. The oil sanctions are fake. Okay. Cheese in the chat. Bees in the trap. Let's go, Jenny. What's going on, Terry? Good to see you. El Candelas, good morning. Good to see you. Chocolate and could live on cheese alone. Yeah. I'm like, yeah, I love cheese as well. Nothing like a Texas toast, like fresh big toast with grilled cheese. Oh, man. Nothing like it. Cheese toasty, as they would call it in the UK. Okay, coming down here, guys. Still no trades this morning. Obviously, a big euphoric pump. Little sweep of the high here, dumped down. That was a potential short here, and then coming into our major resistance level, higher highs, higher lows, continuation trade here. Just trying to be patient. On a Monday, I'm typically very not hesitant to jump into trades, but I like to have a positive Monday as much as possible. So I typically look for A+ setups. So I think I'm always a little bit more patient. We did do a video on green lighting the other day. Hopefully you all watched the new video on green light. Are you guys enjoy the mindset videos? You guys let me know. I'm trying to make some more educational content for you guys. So that's what you guys asked for. So I'm making mindset rules and tricks that I use to help me obviously make money. And hopefully that does help you guys. Let me know. Put a 1 in the chat if you like the new video. And we'll see how we go. But it's important, right? Like mindset stuff's important. I mean, mindset comes after, and Django knows this because I've always hammered home. It doesn't matter if you have a good mindset. You must understand price action and have a strategy and good risk management. Right? These are the things you can control. You got to understand price action. You have to have a strategy, and you must have risk management. You can do all the mindset work you want. You're not going to think yourself into profits, okay? Oh, I was positive today, so I made the bag. No. You executed high conviction trading strategy with good risk management, and you made it today. Some days you don't. Even good traders lose money. You're supposed to. But over time, you're supposed to make money. That's the key, is time. Order block retest, continuation down here. NASDAQ slowing down a little bit. Not a lot, though. I mean, still quite nice bullish momentum here on this push. Strong. ES as well. Retest to previous highs, continuation up here. See if it wants to continue, guys. So far, so good. No trade. VWAP pullback, liquidity sweep. I would like to see maybe something like this. Then we get short, but right now our low is here, so we would need that in order to justify that. Maybe we do something like this, and we can get long. Sweep of this low. Patience right now. No trade. A little bit overextended on the higher term time frames coming into our resistance downwards trend line, macro downwards trend line here. Retest to previous lows, so shorting area. Do we drop? We have bullish news. Do we come back and continue? Got a little bit of a balloon dog here. We'll see. No rush today, though, guys. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel. Hey, you guys got those likes up. We're at 196. We only need 4 more likes. Thank you, guys. I appreciate that. We're live here every morning, hanging out, taking trades, showing the trades, showing the account every single day. We've compounded this account from 25,000 to 37,762, showing you guys every single day. The work, we're up almost $13,000 on this account, so. And then we deposit it into the bank, showing you guys the deposits, not using fake money like a lot of the bullshit traders out there. I'm not going to pussyfoot around. That's exactly what it is. Exchanges will give them money to trade in front of you, and it'll look exactly the same. I don't know who does it. I don't care who does it. I don't do it. That's all I got to say, right? Showing the trades, taking the trades on a daily basis, trying to help make crypto honest again. That's it. Okay, and hopefully we can all crush it together. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel, and thank you for those likes. I do appreciate it. The only requirement really here is to say good morning. Okay, that's it. %100% risk management is key. Yeah, I mean it's the one thing you can control, right? You want to risk 4% of your account per trade? Good luck, man. Yes, we are. I hit the like every time he curses. Let's go. Felix goes not from under cheese. You don't like the from under cheese? Mortgage rates at 7%. Yeah, it's bad. Did you buy in? Nope. Nope, we're just chilling. We did buy a swing trade on spot. Can you do a video on risk management? Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. We did one. We did one in the Discord last week. CME gap, Phil? Sorry, bro. Love you. We don't talk about that here. Yeah, good job, Trenchy. I love seeing you win, bro. Love seeing you win. Name drop them. I'm not here to name drop anybody, man. Everybody can do their own thing, man. I am not here to name drop fucking anyone. I have no reason. You know what? You can't deny anybody's hustle. You can't, they're providing they're doing whatever they can, just like everybody else, to provide for their family or themselves or whatever, right? The hustle is the hustle, man. I will never badmouth anybody ever in this industry. Ever. It's not my place. I do what I do. They do what they do. Who gives a shit, right? I just will tell you how it is, and that's it. You guys are all adults. You guys can make up your own decisions, right? You never do any good talking bad on anyone's name, man. You never know anyone's situation. You never know what they're going through. You never know what is going on, man. So God bless everybody. I hope you are all prosperous and profitable and crush it. I don't like any bullshit dishonesty, but that doesn't mean you still gotta respect everyone. That's it. And a lot of the people on YouTube, I mean, I'm late to the game. I've been streaming for 4 years now. A lot of people have been on here for 7 years, 10 years, man. They've paved a road that has given me kind of like a platform. So I'll always respect those who came before me as well. That's the game, man. You gotta show love to those people, especially because they've been grinding for a long time. It's wild. It's wild. Logitech, did I say something wrong? We just mute everybody who says CME gap in the charts. That's all. You said it again? Bro, it's like not a douchebag thing. It's just something that's always happened at this channel. You say CME, you get muted. It's like a free pass. And if it continues and you guys think it's funny to say CME, they just go longer. That's all. Ben taught me everything I know. I mean, God bless BitBoy, man. I hope he finds whatever he needs, man. I mean, he was like the OG, man. How can you God bless him. I hope he finds what he needs, man. Like, Tom Lee trades on a demo account. Let's go. Yeah. Nadeem, let's go, baby. I mean, your bullshit monitor's got to be pretty good in crypto, right? Like, you got to have some good filters, right? Drop the hammer. Chop at the top, 15 minutes till market open here. No trade for me, just waiting. Good sell wall up at the highs, just coming into it aggressively, not for me, right? Like when you have price action, right, we get news data, we break the high here. We have higher highs, higher lows, no like retracement continuation, right? There's no structure here to justify me getting long. And then we come into a key sell wall. For me, it's the way we come into this area that stops me from wanting to enter that trade, right? Like obviously it's a key level and that's somewhere where I was looking. But for me to enter here, just the way we approach this area is not what I generally look for a trade, right? It may have hit the key area, check, right? But the reaction in here and the way prices moved up into this area stops me from taking the trade. And cool, I might miss out on some money, but sometimes this thing, guess what? It does this, wee, and you don't end up doing so hot, especially on a Monday where you don't want to generally jump in front of the Donald Trump tweet train, right? But a very nice rejection here. Probably a lot of you got short up in here. I mean, a lot of people come to this show just to get my levels and trade the levels because they're fire. I mean, right? So put a 2 in the chat if you're short. But I mean, that's why I didn't take it. You guys, I ain't your dad. You guys can do your own thing. But thank you for being here. GG's to you guys. Let me put GG's to all of you shorts in the chat, man. God bless you guys, man. Keep crushing it. I'm glad you're here and I'm glad you're winning, man. I love seeing you guys win. Trading is fucking hard. So if you're winning, good job, man. The gang. That's it, baby. That's it. Oh, man. I hope Ben resurrects like a phoenix someday. Me too, man. Too funny. Too funny. I hope he comes. Didn't he wear like an Easter bunny outfit or something? There's some funny things out there. Too funny. Can't knock the hustle though. Man was crushing it. Some humble pie. Coming back down here, retracement. This is like golden pocket 786 resist or retracement area for this little guy here. Retest of previous highs, continuation up is more this guy right here, this high. Swing low to swing high. Let's go swing low to swing high. There's our golden pocket. I mean, we're looking in here generally right now. We'll see if we want to continue. NASDAQ cooling off. NASDAQ's going to come into here for market open. That's my guess. NASDAQ comes into here, and depending on what happens, we go or we go Geronimo. That's kind of my guess for market open right now. We want to see the decision made. Doesn't mean we short into this. We just, right? A little bit of patience here. ES is ripping. So we expect, I don't know if we get a gap up here for a SPY. Let me see. SPY 15 minute. Let's go 15 minute here. Yeah. Maybe a little gap up. We're kind of right here with the SPY. Maybe a little bit of a gap up. Not much of a gap. This is all futures trading. So we would look for a SPY to be pretty much flat in here, right? Futures has done this, right? So we expect to be flat this morning. Up or down. I'm trying to hold this major support level into this range here. We'll see if that wants to hold. If we hold here on SPY, maybe we gap down and we fill the gap. And we will look to come for this guy up here. But we do have, we've moved up quite aggressively all the way up here, so we could rotate down. This is our 1618 extension level here. Okay, so we are in like a full extension move up here. So this is where we would expect turbulence, especially on the macro. So as to be expected, especially where everything is trading. Look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's retesting previous lows of macro resistance up into 84, right? Golden pocket. All that fun stuff. So we're in an area where, we either accumulate or we distribute to the bottom, right? So it's a very make or break zone on the macro. And we are looking at our higher term time frames, right? Coming into that major resistance zone up top here, failing to hold, and then the channel here, breaking the channel, retesting the lower part of the channel, falling down, coming back into our 786 buy level, trying to push out and get going. Can we return back up to reclaim this channel, or are we going to retest the channel and roll over? It's not for me to decide. It's just to participate safely in looking at the 4, the 3, the 2, and the 1 before market open. We have 4-hour trigger anchor wave trying to push back here, indecision over the weekend, clearly rolling over. The 3-hour as well, trying to push back here, VWAP crossover, but money looks terrible here, and the money looks terrible here. So looking for the higher low, basically. So looking for the push, which we are slowly getting, and then the higher low. This is typically where we want to long if we do get like money flow crossover in this. But right now it's been looking quite nasty to the downside. So nice curvature here on the 1 hour, pushing back. Same kind of deal here. We have come down to the 0 line. You can see a little bit of inward curvature, and VWAP's overextended. So I'm looking for this, and that would bring us into Asia tonight. Okay, Asia. So we'll see. We'll see if this and that. Nice push up, but this is a tweet, guys. So, always caution with the price action based on tweets, right? It's clearly manipulated resistance rotation down right now. Great short, everybody. Cha-ching. Good sell wall. Congratulations on your money. We'll see how we react coming into market open here. We got about 8 minutes. 480 people here on the live stream. God bless you guys. Thank you for being here. We're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10:15. Good fun. So we do giveaways every week, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, $5,000. All you have to do is sign up with the Bitunix link pinned in the comments, deposit, and you get raffle tickets, and we do that giveaway every single week. For you guys, and that's pretty sweet. And when you draw a channel on the 4 hour, you draw always wicks, man. Always wicks. Wicks. Whenever you're trying to include a range, right? Like the thing you're trying to understand with a range, right? Parallel channel, your tool, right? You go high to high, and you extend this down, and then you would go to like this low right here, or you would go to this low right here. Okay, it doesn't really matter, right? What you must understand about any sort of line, and what really changed it for me, is any sort of area, right? You must understand that there's an unwritten rule, in my opinion, of premium and discount, right? So you would look here, right? And I would draw this line like this, and I would draw this line like this. All right, something like that. Okay, this would be your premium and discount areas. Okay, you got to give yourself a zone. Okay, you're not going to be perfect. This allows for play, right? This tells you you're coming into that area where price is at premium or price is at discount. Okay, this is going to allow you to have some buffer. That's why you use a stop loss in order to take advantage of trades, right? Especially when you're on a higher term time frame, guys. Okay, when we're on a 3-minute time frame, we're scalping micro penis time frames. You got to be precise. Okay, otherwise, it's a privilege to zoom in, right? That's why we give areas, right? That's why we give areas. So you see how we have some buffer in here? That's why we have a general area here, so that when you look to short and your stop is here, you have some play for the play to work, right? In general. Otherwise, you're giving yourself, not enough room. You need room, okay? For me, I'm very good at getting into trades with zero drawdown, but it's because I wait and I know what I'm looking for, right? This still doesn't mean like if I got long in here, whatever, right? It still doesn't mean that I don't have a clear invalidation to where I'm wrong and I'm okay being wrong, right? But I like to enter like this, right? Some people enter like this, which is fine, right? As long as you're trading a strategy, it's very important, right? like with this box here, what is this box? We got VWAP. We got retest of previous highs at the top, okay? But I understand that the most important level is the golden pocket in here, okay? So, yes, can it come down and tap that high right here? Yes. Would I look to enter based on that? No, I would look for a higher low, okay? Can it come down and tap our golden pocket VWAP? Well, I have entry criteria to that. I know what a VWAP slap looks like. If we reclaim VWAP, I know it's also taken the golden pocket. That's a much higher probability trade setup to me. I'm looking for that guy. That's the A plus versus this guy here. You may need to give yourself, if you're entering here, you may need to give yourself room to accommodate that move down below, right? It's all fine and dandy to have a trade plan, but where are you wrong? How do you execute based on that? How do you deal with, oh my God, I should have shorted Alex's level up top here. Well, there's ways to enter this safely as well, right? Is it a B setup? Yes. It's not A plus. Lots of things to think about, man. Hopefully I teach you guys. Like, I try to teach a little bit as I stream, right? But I also try not to give it all away. I give it all away in the Discord. Yep, fair value gap, yeah. I mean, you have, and that's the thing too. It's like, what else do you have down here? You have order block and the bottom of the fair value gap, right? So you could very much come back down and just tap that, right? Where's the liquidity? Well, it's in the tweet. 3 minutes here, guys. What a trickle, eh? What a trickle. This is trapping traders, man. Trapping longs. I want to slap and go. Like I want to see violence coming into market open. ES cooling off a little bit into SPY. Expecting pretty flat gap this morning, guys. Yeah. Slow motion for me. What's going on, Mint Machine? Can't I achieve this with the standard bands indicator? I'm not sure what you're talking about. Face ripper kind of day. ETH baby. High time frames do, low time frames just don't look bearish to me. Okay. Is Discover Crypto still a thing? I have no idea, man. I try to avoid watching any sort of crypto influencer things because it just skews my analysis, and I don't want to have other people's analysis. I tend to stay away from it, man, because it just, I've been looking at it long enough. For me, going and watching other crypto YouTubers is like, it's like trying to cheat on a test, right? Like, I've been doing this for 4 years. I know how to break down a chart. I know what to look for fundamentally. I know what to look for, right? So it's kind of trying to cheat on a test, and then you don't know if Buddy is smart or not, right? Right? How are your altcoins performing based on following these people? Ask yourself that. Who are you listening to? Right? Right? How are you doing on that? Ask yourself that. You got to be honest with yourself. You're probably not doing too hot, right? Right? If you've spent time trading and analyzing charts, go and trade and analyze the damn charts that you want to, maybe buy long term, right? I watch Piper. I watch Invest Answers. James, I think, does a very good job. But I mostly watch James for the data he provides because I like data. Data doesn't lie. What a short, guys. Retest the previous highs, coming back down. Markets open, everybody. Thank you for being here. Gap up for the SPY. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Little gap up for the SPY. Coming back down aggressively here. Bitcoin coming into view up for a slap, potentially. Solana rolling over. NASDAQ coming into our zone that we were anticipating. Bitcoin coming into view up slap zone. Retest the previous highs, trying to hold here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Oil rotating down, trying to bounce right now. Solana rotating down, sweeping the lows into the fair value gap. Bitcoin holding previous highs. No trade right now. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. Patience here. Of course, they're going to send it into here on market open. We'll see how price reacts here. Still no trade. Thank you for supporting the channel, everybody. NASDAQ getting a nice bounce out of here. Bitcoin, there it is. Enticing buyers to buy in. No trade for me. Right into market open. Still waiting here. There's no reason to take a long yet. We got violence, but not where I wanted it. I needed lower in order to enter. SPY is continuing down. NASDAQ continuing down. 1 minute. Bearish engulfing candle coming back into support here. Looks like lower. Bitcoin holding. Looks like lower as well. No strength here. No strength on NASDAQ. No strength on SPY yet. Let's go into the 1 minute on SPY. SPY rotation down. Looking to fill this gap before we do any sort of long in here. Potentially. Bitcoin coming down into view up for a slap again. Still no trade. Waiting here. Pretty violent. Trying to hold here on our oil. NASDAQ holding. Bitcoin holding. Solana holding. Sweep of the lows on Solana. Bounce. Continuation up. Bitcoin flat. Down. Down we go. Can we bounce? Slap and go. Into our golden pocket area now. Good patience. View up slap. No trade here. Too aggressive into market open. NASDAQ looks weak. No trade on VWAP. Too aggressive on NASDAQ. NASDAQ still looks very weak here. SPY looks weak as well. Bitcoin trying to hold VWAP. VWAP traders getting long against trend. See if it holds here. Sol coming back within range, trying to hold here as well. NASDAQ still presents weakness. No trade. Patience here. Indecision here. Sellers are still in control. CVD's bearish. Solana failing to hold, rotation down. NASDAQ trying to hold here. NASDAQ pushback here. Can NASDAQ hold? NASDAQ push back aggressively. Considering long. SPY trying to hold here. Not filled yet. Needs to fill. NASDAQ holding. Solana. Key level support on Solana trying to hold here. Halfway down the candle. Halfway up the candle. VWAP holding. No follow through here. NASDAQ. Fail to engulf. Continuation trade. Trying to push back up here. Bitcoin pushing back up. Solana holding. NASDAQ retest to previous lows. Continuation down. Against trend. SPY dumping. Aggressive dump on SPY. ES still holding. SPY sweeping the box. Gap filled for SPY. Bitcoin still weakness. No strength. Trying to push back. NASDAQ. No hold. Rotation down. Looking weak. NASDAQ looking weak. Bitcoin looking weak. No trade. Solana. Solana doesn't look enticing today. Great short, everybody, from the highs today. GG's on your shorts. GG's on your longs. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. 550 people here. Rotation down here. Bearish divergence. I mean, Solana gave us a short as well. All right. NASDAQ showing no strength here. NASDAQ into the highs. Biddy indecision at the lows. Doji engulfing potential here if we close 10 seconds on this candle. NASDAQ trying to hold on for dear life here. SPY pushback, bullish divergence. Indecision. 3 minutes on the candle. NASDAQ rotation down. Liquidity of the lows here. Bearish. Good patience. Dumping. Into order block. Into order block, losing VWAP. Solana sweep down. Solana sweep and go. NASDAQ bounce or no? No bounce on NASDAQ. NASDAQ trying to defend these lows. Still rotating down. SPY showing the weakness throughout this morning. Good patience here. Congratulations on your short, everybody. Great short. Great short. Good patience. No VWAP trade. Good patience as well. You got to reward yourself for being disciplined and not taking the trade as well. That VWAP looked enticing, didn't it? Sweep of the lows here. Good job, everybody. Patience here. Great short, man. Great short. Right back down. We missed that one. Congratulations on your short, everybody. May the print be with you. NASDAQ trying to hold these highs in here. SPY holding. Bitcoin down. Solana. Trendline hold. NASDAQ bouncing. Strength. Retest of trendline. Breakdown. Still no trade. Bitcoin weak. Down we go. GG's, everybody. Great short. Great short, everybody. I'm kind of upset I missed the short. Not gonna lie, man. Great short. Let's go, baby. I'll put a GG's for you guys. Below VWAP. Great short level for everybody, including the gang, man. You guys all had that level. I failed to execute. Weakness on NASDAQ and SPY. No hold here. Can we bounce? Solana looks better than Bitcoin right now. Grabbing all those longs. Still no trade here. Trying to bounce. NASDAQ holding nice here. Bitcoin trying to get above VWAP. Reclaim of VWAP is bullish. Considering a long on Solana. If we can close above this support and resistance. NASDAQ still looking weak though. Still no trade. Trying to hold SPY here. Key level of support. Gap filled. Weakness. Biddy. Retest of VWAP. Continuation down. Weird candle close here though. So a little bit of patience in my opinion. Weird candle close here. And the way we've come down, there's a lot of liquidity to come and take here. No strength on the NASDAQ. Weakness. SPY trying to push back. Bitcoin trying to push back. Solana pushing back. Still no strength on Bitcoin here. Still waiting. Next level for NASDAQ's down here. Trapping longs. Bitcoin's looking to come and sweep the lows. And we're looking here. Down we go. Great short, man. What a zero drawdown. A lot of patience required, but very nice short. Yeah, this is going to rip to the downside. Order block retest. Down we go. This looks like bearish continuation here, something like this on Solana. We'll see, though. We'll see. Still waiting. Trying to hold on here. NASDAQ's trying to hold. Engulfing candle. 30 seconds left on this guy. Whew, that's nasty. This thing's jumping today. Holy smokes. Thank you guys for being here. We'll see if we do continue here. Thank you guys for liking and subscribing. Almost 600 people on the live today. Wild. Wild. Thank you. Happy Monday, everybody. We're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10:15, taking the trades, showing the trades on a daily basis. All right. Yep, follow through to the downside. VWAP retest. Aggressive move through VWAP is typically bearish. Down we go. Looking to sweep the liquidity out of the lows here. Looking for some sort of reaction down at the lows. We'll see if we get it. Solana continuation down. NASDAQ weak. Very aggressive weak candle here. Rotation down. SPY failing to hold. ES rolling over as well. ES looking to come back into here. Bitcoin rolling over. Jeez. Great short. It's a freaking great short, man. I love seeing you guys win, man. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. Put a 1 in the chat if you are long. Great job, everybody. Elevator down. Dump it, baby. Dump it. I think Monday wiped out, yeah. Do you like Lifer? Sam's nice, yeah. Sam's a nice guy. Like I said, I don't talk shit about anybody, man. Lifer's been doing this forever, man. God bless him. He has his thing, man. Great job. That's it. I like everybody, man. I'm in the neutral. I'm Switzerland from now on, man. I talk shit all day, but I'm Switzerland. We're traders helping traders. That's it. You come here, I show you everything. I show you my account. I show you the deposits into the bank account. I show you the trades. That's it. That's what you get here. You guys can go wherever the hell you want. I ain't your dad. Pushback here. NASDAQ still rolling over. Weakness. Fair value gap fill. Bitcoin pushing back here. Taking liquidity out of this low. That's pretty lame. That's pretty lame, Bitcoin. You're going to go from here? You're going to go from here? You are going to go from here. Okay. VWAP smack. VWAP smack. Retest back down. NASDAQ pop off or down? Down. Aggressive down. Aggressive down. Coming back for late shorts here on Bitcoin. Solana trying to hold this key level here. Oh, that's nasty, man. Woo. That's nasty. Good morning. VWAP slap short, man. That is juicy. My God. That is juicy. First move is always a fake out. What's going on, chicken? Good to see you, bro. How you doing? Any scalping on long? No longs right now. This is just rotation down. 3 big green scalps so far. Let's go, Yuan. Orb is in, baby. Ray Orb is in. And down we go. What a slap, man. Holy, NASDAQ dying. NASDAQ dying. Bitcoin about to roll over. What a wow. Crazy price action, man. That's like Darth Vaderville here. It's Darth Vaderville, a trading pattern. I like longs here. We'll see. We'll see. NASDAQ's taking liquidity. SPY holding, trying to push. Indecision at the lows. I would like the low to be taken here. I want this guy taken. Boop. And then reclaim and go. Reclaim and go. Yeah, sweep of the lows, reclaim and go is kind of A+ right now. So sweep and go. That's where I would be looking right now. NASDAQ down. Oil's climbing back up. Trying to hold lower orb right now. Overextended to the downside. NASDAQ keeps saying no, guys. You don't fight this thing. That's all I gotta say. You don't fight the DAC on days like this. SPY is trying to hold here. The SPY is trying to hold. Vicious, man. What a vicious dig. Choppy. SPY looks good. SPY pushing back here. Bullish. NASDAQ pushback. Bitcoin pushback. Potential. Good candle. I like that candle. Doesn't mean I'm going to buy it. Definitely does not mean I'm going to buy it. 1 minute. Sweep of the low bounce. Into VWAP. No trade here. A lot of movement, not getting anywhere, right? Right? Like there's your market open, right? We're just sideways. NASDAQ finding lows. 3 minute tweezer? No. Still waiting here. I mean, Solana sweep of the lows kind of far away right now. Yeah, kind of. No trade. Still waiting. So in general for BTC right now, like needs to get above VWAP. Needs to sweep the low. Needs to hold the orb. Liquidity. Hot dog. Buns, right? So tweet or whatever announcement, recovered right back down to where we started, right? So splitting hairs here, looking for follow through. Thank you, everybody, for being here. All I ask is you say good morning, 500 and whatever. You guys are great, man. Thank you for being here. What is the big boy, NASDAQ or SPY? Who often leads? I'm not so good at SPY, NASDAQ, etc. So we use it as general confluence. How they're related depends on how they're related. Sometimes NASDAQ leads because it's mostly tech, right? So we use the US 100. We use the SPY for like a gap and a sentiment. Right now, SPY has been really good. We use the ES to front run the SPY market open. Then we use the NASDAQ as confluence for where liquidity is in kind of structure, right? Nice pushback here. Yeah, so we're using them all in conjunction with one another, right? Like sometimes NASDAQ will lead, sometimes it'll lag, sometimes SPY will lead, right? You will come to see it if you watch it long enough. This is a good recovery right now. NASDAQ pushing back into order block. 3 minute block. Not even. It's a 1 minute block. It's not even that great. V-shaped recovery potential right now. I don't want to get too bullish here. Oil still climbing. I prefer the US 100 NASDAQ, and generally it's not going to be perfect. Sometimes it'll give you the move beforehand, or sometimes it'll do the move and then Bitcoin will lag and follow suit. It's depending on the day and really what's going on in the market. But a lot of the time, like let's say NASDAQ comes down and it sweeps the liquidity and then it bounces here, and then we're getting like bottoming structure on Bitcoin and NASDAQ's doing this, we can jump on Bitcoin, right? Like that's generally what I look for and how I use it. NASDAQ pushing, considering a long here. I like Solana better than Bitcoin right now. Considering a long on Solana. Bitcoin's got to get above VWAP here. I'd like Solana up to like the order block. Up into like 85. Let's do it. I'm long. See if we push here. Just looking for follow through on Solana. Hopefully holding above this support level and following through here. Imbalance continuation trade. NASDAQ's pushing. Can we get going here or not? That's the question. Looking for follow through here on Solana. NASDAQ retest to previous highs. Bitcoin's got to go through VWAP here. Pushing, Ambi Pambi. Come on. Let's go. Up 100. Stop loss to entry. I want to see it get into this block here. Quick little scalp. Start the Monday off right. Weird sweep and go here. Very choppy price action. Might get stopped here, which is fine. Take a little bit out of the market. That's fine. On to the next one. $100. Rejection at VWAP here. I liked the NASDAQ here. NASDAQ looks healthy. Pushback continuation. You see if Solana holds this support level. That's a quickie right now. Little quickie. We'll see if it does want to follow through here. I like the target, right? So you got three soldiers here. Continuation trade. Let me take this off. So you got 3 white soldiers, continuation trades, and consolidation, continuation into fair value gap. You tap that fair value gap. That's why I took profits there. Just a quick little scalp this morning. My invalidation was the low of this candle. I know my stop loss was down here, but I don't put it tight until I see the move that I want to see. Quick little scalp. We'll see where else we get to here. Just a quickie, guys. You know, Monday quickie. Monday quickie. Do you have some preset stuff with your limit orders, etc.? Yeah, like I have. I'm really fast. Let's put it that way. Like, my wife hates it. But I mean, I like, I'm in and out like a good boy scout. Like, I execute pretty quickly. Copy price, paste it, take profits, yada, yada, yada. Bitcoin needs to get above VWAP here. I think my idea is going to play. It's just, sometimes I am early. I think that's one of, after, I've looked at my journaling, and a lot of the time I'm early to my entries, right? Like I entered here, and probably better off. I'm always better off waiting, guys. Let's make it real. I'm always better waiting. However, I do manage risk crazy, and I do take profits aggressively. I'm scalping, right? Quick $90 this morning, right? That's it. No need to complicate it. I can bang out 10 of those a day. Easy peasy, pay me. Sometimes I bang out 3 of them a day, and then one of them just runs, right? And that's it. But I get paid. I'll tell you that. Into VWAP here. NASDAQ looked healthy. Now it's cooling off. SPY, great recovery. Now we're looking for a retest of highs. Looking for longs in here. Chop at the orb. Coming into 10 o'clock here. Pump and dump. Right back to where we started basically on the weekend. Consolidation here. Looking for liquidity sweep would be ideal. This would be the best trade setup. But right now, clear rejection at VWAP. Failing to push here. NASDAQ holding. We'll see if it does want to continue to push. Quick cocker, Alexo, Flexo. That's the one, man. You're in on Solana. I mean, right now we got a VWAP rejection, Doji engulfing continuation down trade. So I don't think it looks too healthy yet. We're looking for NASDAQ to hold here. SPY's rotating down, looking to come lower, potentially. Bitcoin clean rejection at VWAP. So still waiting. One quick little scalp in and out like a good boy scout. So we wait. Let's go, Dusty. Do you tend to use charts? I use my Bitcoin Solana chart. Yeah, I use that mainly to see when Solana's outperforming Bitcoin, so that I know when I trade Solana, I'm going to get more juice out of the squeeze, right? No problem, Logitech. Hopefully you're having a good day, brother. What does it mean when the Lord Otter indicator empties out my candles? So the Lord Otter indicator, when it's giving you pink boxes, right, and it empties out. So this is the pink is to prepare you to short. So it's preparing you to take a short. It's front running the short. So it's saying in here you're looking for a short. That's all it's saying, right? And obviously at the end of it, that was the short into a key area, right? Money bag signal, down you go, right? So you're against trend though, so you're fighting the trend there. But yeah, the pink box is to prepare you for the short. Look, preparing you, right? So it's just saying, hey man, you should be looking to short here. That's all. It's a warning sign. So you get the warning because indicators, let's be honest, they're all late. So the way I've designed this is to warn you beforehand, give you a warning sign that there's a potential for it, and then you can use your skills and your interpretation of price action to execute. Okay, to execute. I mean, look at this. And then the splooshy symbol. I mean, what a short. Incredible. I mean, there's, I wouldn't trade solely based off of it, but it does a pretty good job. I'm biased. I built it, so. NASDAQ rolling over hard here, guys. SPY failing to hold highs. This is a liquidity sweep. Down we go. Down we go. Down we go. Damn, Daniel. Damn, Daniel. Thank you guys for being here. Down we go. Down we go. Eee. Nasty. I mean, on Bitunix, you can have presets as well. Where do we get the indicators? We're going to make access to all the indicators once everybody's signed up. All you'll have to do is sign up to the Bitunix link, and you'll be able to get both indicators shortly. Okay. You got a card? Drive safe. My wife is going to the shop. I guess I should just stream for the rest of the morning then. We should just all hang out here for another couple hours, eh? Take some more trades to show you a full day of AlexOCrypto trading. Yeah? That would be too nice, wouldn't it? I don't want to talk to you guys, if I'm being honest. I don't want to sit here and... I like hanging out, but I also like some music and some focus. It's cool to hang out. I do appreciate hanging out with you guys. Trading can be lonely, but talking all day is exhausting as well. Right? We will do a Discord live stream later on today. We'll go over strategy and rules and all that good stuff. That's going to be good. Yeah. Trick or treat here. This ain't pretty, guys. Gap down, oil still holding, Bitcoin rolling over. Okay. Everybody leaves at 10 o'clock. I guess their favorite streamers all start at 10 o'clock. Must be Army Piper. They must all be in Army Piper's live stream ready to go. Piano Matty B. Legends, man. Trying to hold here. Thank you guys for liking and subscribing. I mean, we've hit 250 likes, 500 people. We almost had 600 people on the live stream today, guys. That's awesome. one little scalp, nothing too significant. But hey, we gave the short level. A lot of people kicked ass with that, so that's really good. I love seeing y'all win. Y'all, I sounded American there. Trying to hold on. Giveaways Wednesdays, Thursday, Friday. That should be good. Use the Bitunix link. Join the Discord. I think you guys should just join the Discord. I'll have a sale for you tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll bring a sale. First month $20 off. That's what I'll do. Okay, I'll have a code for you guys. You're not gonna get the super code, but you'll get the first month off. Okay, I'm gonna head out. Guys, been a pleasure. God bless you guys. Thank you guys so much for being here, supporting the channel. I do appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys here tomorrow live, ready to go. I'm going to send you over to Piper. Thank you for supporting the channel. Smash those likes on the way out. God bless you. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
On the cover, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves. That of no casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building